All right, what is going on, guys? Spiteful is back again, and we are well, we're streaming right now, so but we are gonna go into this banner that was announced, and it is Spirit Society Kaien, Rangiku, Byakuya, and honestly, Rangiku, get the fuck out of here, you gender bending bastard. Okay, here we go. Rangiku, Rangiku looking mad good. I think Kaien looks sick personally, and I think Byakuya. I feel like Rukia took a bunch of testosterone, gained like 2 feet, and maybe like a nice 2 inch like meaty fucking clitoris to simulate a pussy. But yeah, so let's go into the stats and skills, which people are saying that there's the stats and skills are out, and yeah. Spite, why aren't K-Lab doing another Kaname? Don't ask me why K-Lab doesn't put out characters, bro. Like, that's not my fault. Like, I don't talk to K-Lab like that. Like, I'm surprised they even listen to us. By the way, big news. Um, just cause like this was originally not gonna be in the this was originally gonna be in the video, but then everyone's in the chats like it's like, oh, stats and skills are out, stats and skills are out. So K-Lab finally listened to us, and they actually added more bonus characters. So you have the original bonus, and then on top of that, you're also getting the damage 1.5 damage, and then epic raid medal. So they're half as potent. The bonus is almost half as potent as the regular bonus characters, but now you don't have to feel bad about not having the 50% or damage times 2. I think this is really, really good. Wait, what? Wasn't it damage times 3, or was I wrong? No. It was damage times 2, but it was damage times 3 for strong attacks. Okay, never mind. Alright, so let's just get into the stats and skills and see what the hell it was. It was times 3 damage? No. I know it's strong attack damage times 3, but I could have swore bonus was... Hold on, I'm actually going to look this up. We can actually look this up right now. Because I don't think that they're going to change the old raid. That'll be funny if they make this content harder. Damage times 3, yeah, so they nerf the buff. They nerf the buff of the bonus characters. I don't know how I feel about that, because there are a lot of bad players that even with like times 3 damage don't really do much. Okay, I don't know how to feel about this now. Alright, let's just get into it. Byakuya, Kuchiki, Spirit Society version. Strong attack recharge 12%. Hopefully he's melee. Soul Reaper Killer, we were literally just talking about this, right? Sprinter, Havoc 20%, Berserker 20%, Frenzy, Debilitator plus 5 seconds, Poison duration minus 100, Devastation 40%, Bruiser 20%. Bro, this is a lot of skills. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 skills, wow. Range. Damn it, he's fucking ranged. Okay, oh, hold up. Melee collision 870 radius, that's really good. That means that it's the same projectile as Silaporo. I do have the BBS simulator page up. Let's actually let's check this out. Silaporo. First strong attack 870, yeah. So same strong attack as Silaporo. That's really, really, really good. Let me move this over here. Strong attack 2, radius 960. Wow, radius 960 because of the Havoc. He's gonna be freaking nuts. Melee collision on all of his attacks. Range full screen, radius 1200 because of Havoc 20%. This Byakuya is stupid. Yo, this Byakuya is mad dumb. And what's cool is he has freeze on all of his attacks. So he's not like a standard unit. Okay, I like that. Because that means that Spirit Society Byakuya is like a freeze type unit, and Spirit Society Rukia is a burn type unit, right? Time to go all out. Base damage is 7k. Base damage 7k. I don't know. Okay, let's check out what's in store for the Kaien. Kaien strong attack recharge, Soul Reaper with a Ronkar killer. Attack a Ronkar killer. I think who's been coming out with a Ronkar killer? I know Stark. Can't Fear Your Own World Stark just by seeing him down there. Yeah, Tekka Ronkar killer is pretty bad, to be honest. Like Lost Agent Soifon, Stark, and Tag Team Tosha are probably like your go-tos, like the best bets. So I mean, he could make waves. Let's see how he performs. Sprinter, Havoc 20%, Berserker 20%, Frenzy standard now, it's disgusting. Devastation plus 40%, Debilitator plus 5 seconds, Paralysis duration minus 100, Bruiser 20%, melee type unit, paralysis on all of his attacks, I'm assuming. Yeah, paralysis on all of his attacks. It's so fucking so stupid, dude. Is this a charge skill? 900 radius to 1080. Base damage 24 to 4900. Magnification 120 to 240. This looks like it's a charge skill, but having Havoc 20% on a charge skill is really good, simply because it's usually like a 900 radius, but with Havoc it goes into beyond full screen, and at the very least like 1080 is already better than full screen, and then you're hitting for the same damage as a special move. Like if you see the magnification 150% to 240%, the base damage is lower, of course, but still deals massive amounts of damage. Yo, what's up, Thomas? How you doing, baby? This is really good. Range collision, second strong attack, so 420 radius. I don't like this. 420 radius? Aw, don't tell me that you get the Lisa treatment, bro. Is that the Lisa treatment? Yeah, he got the fucking Lisa treatment. That sucks. His SA2 is range collision. Yeah, no, I saw that. 420 radius is 20% more than Lisa's second strong attack. 1,000 Year Blood were, no. Past Kisuke, like speed Kisuke. For those that don't know the second strong attack of Lisa. So this second strong attack is really bad. First strong attack, 570, that's a standard lunge. Okay, I mean, he looks like he's going to be good, but the problem is definitely going to be his second strong attack. I do think that maybe his charge, third strong attack, is definitely going to help. And he still is a strong attack recharge unit. So, I mean, me personally, I don't think he got, guys, I don't think he got shafted. Like, he has Havoc Berserker Frenzy. Like, he's going to be great. Let's be real here. He's going to be pretty damn good. I don't think he's going to be, like, great or OP or anything. I think he's just going to be good. Like, I don't know what else to say. Alright, so, this is Kaien. Let's go down. And Rangiku. Okay. Strong attack recharge, Soul Reaper with no affiliation killer. Fuck, that sucks. 794 spiritual pressure. Sprinter, Havoc, Berserker, Frenzy, standard. Debilitator plus 5 seconds. So even though she has no affiliation killer, like that, I do feel like that Berserker 20% is definitely gonna like far outweigh the fact that she has a mediocre killer, because that's still a PvE killer, right? Debilitator plus 5 seconds, freeze duration minus 100%. I'm hoping she has weakening. Okay, best in banner. Range unit, melee collision 870. That's good. This is the solid portal for strong attack, right? I actually don't know. Let me reset. No, because this is like 970 or something, right? 870. Okay, yeah. So it is. So same strong attack as Silaporo. Melee collision on that. Second strong attack, melee into range collision. I'm interested to see what the hell this is. Oh, Vortex. Oh, it looks like this might be like a vacuum into a Vortex type attack. 1200 radius on the second strong attack is kind of OP though. Or maybe that's like one of those vacuum into push out vortexes. That might be what this is. That's what I'm gonna guess this is. And then third strong attack is a full screen 1200 radius with weakening on literally everything. Oh my god. She's definitely best in banner. I think she's best in banner. Bond Ichigo? Yeah? Let me check out Bond Ichigo. You might be right. That's a very good pickup. Bond. James Bond. Here we go. 625 to 1000. Yeah, that sounds right. Let's do this. 2. Wait. 625 times 1.2. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So she has Ichigo's Bond Ichigo's second strong attack. Though that being said, even though this is pretty mediocre on Bond Ichigo, since she's a SP base unit, this should deal significant damage. Byakuya is much better. Yeah, no, I'm not. Oh, that's true. I forgot. I could actually. You know what's funny is I completely forgot about Byakuya. My bad. Like, let's be real here. Like, I still think Rangiku's best in Banner for one reason and one reason alone. Actually, 3 reasons. Like, the 2 are very, very obvious, and then 3 is that cute little mole on her chin. Yeah, it's gonna be, I don't know, man. Yo, I feel like I got a whale, bro. I feel like I need to get this Rangiku. I don't know how much she's gonna cost. But I've never paid for sex, and, I never thought I'd actually be at this point. But, alright, so we're gonna end the video here. I'm still gonna chill. I'm glad that we did get the stats and skills. That's awesome. I think that's great. Somebody knows about the cute moles. Yo, dude, I got one myself. I hate these fucking moles, by the way. Because whenever I shave, I fucking cut myself. And then I look like I'm doing some Santeria voodoo type shit. But, alright. So, anyways, I'm gonna leave it at that. This is gonna be the end of the video. We're still going to continue the stream, but I'm going to leave it at that. Y'all know these guys, grind on, catch up, stay blessed. Like, comment, subscribe. If you know, hope y'all enjoyed this video. And, yeah, no, this is actually pretty hype. I personally like Spirit Society a lot more than Halloween, simply just because aesthetically, the characters just look better. Last year was really lazy for Halloween. We got the band girls into Spirit Society Gin, Spirit Society Grimmjow, Spirit Society Rukia. So I have very, very high hope for this. So stay blessed, y'all. See y'all in the next one. Peace.